Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Laura Wilkie with Down Home with Lemon Pie, and it's summer. This is our summer video, the first one for the whole summer, and I'm going to share with you guys what our plans are. Hey guys, real quick, I want to tell you about my new curriculum. It's Hero as a Character, and it is a character-based curriculum that you can use during morning time, tea time, or bedtime. It seamlessly blends science, nature studies, heroes, history, and character traits and skills that you want your kids to learn. So if you haven't had a chance to check it out, head over to my website. It's downhomewithlemonpie.com and check it out for yourself. Okay guys, welcome back. I'm Laura Wilkie, like I said. If you are not familiar with our channel, maybe you're brand new, I'm a Christian stay-at-home homeschool mom of 6 kiddos. They are ranging in age from almost 3, I have 2-year-old twins, all the way up to 10. We have 3 girls, 3 boys. It's an even split. And we are a Christian homeschool family. We're from Texas. Check out my new hat. So anyway, that is my new garage sale find. I'm super excited about that. And I'm just going to tell you guys what we're doing this summer. We have been out for out of our homeschool schedule or routine for about 2 weeks now. And normally, well, I guess not normally, but in the past, like when my oldest kiddos were really little, we didn't even really take a summer break. We did summer fun stuff. We went swimming. We did all the summer things. We went to the splash pads, the parks, the zoos, all the things. But we still kind of maintained that routine with our normal schedule. However, last year and this year, we're taking a summer break. We used to school year round. We still sort of do, but not completely, like I said. So we do take a summer break. The way it works is we stop whenever we finish all of what we needed to get done in May. Then we take a break until shortly after July 4th. And then the month of July, we start back, but it's kind of a slow start because we kind of want to ease into that. You'll have to excuse my sweet little goat. She sees me doing this video through the window and she wants me to come play with her. So she's sitting on a picnic table in front of this window that is on the other side of this camera and is just talking to me. So you'll have to excuse that. Sorry, we do have a lot of animals where we live. Okay, so let me tell you guys what our plans are. This summer I created, if you are following me on Instagram, you have already seen this. I created our summer bucket list and I put it on our little chalkboard that I use for like our Bible verses and things when we are going to memorize things. I use that. That's what I use this for in our school year, but we're not doing that right now. So we changed it up and we made it our summer bucket list. You can see we've actually already crossed off the first thing. Malt Shop is like a local little old-fashioned drive up. It's kind of like a Sonic, but they have their own ice cream. They have amazing flavors, and then they have other food too. It's just all delicious and really fun, and it's kind of an old-fashioned place to go here where we live. So the kids wanted to go get ice cream there, so we have actually already done that. We've had a ton of rain. It has been raining constantly the first week of our homeschool break for summer, and next week it's going to rain constantly again. So in between that, we had to get out of the house and we went out and got ice cream. It was so fun. If you are not following me on Instagram, you can head over there and find me and see pictures from that experience. It was super fun. And then I just added some fun things on here that I thought we might want to do. I stuck bowling on there because there's a place locally that's doing some discounts for the summer. So I thought we'd try that. Splash Kingdom's just like a little fun water park that's near us that does a special deals. If you have not been following me for very long, you are quick to find out that I am a thrifty mama who always wants a deal. And at Splash Kingdom, they do a special deal where after 4 p.m. it's like $10 to go. So that's what we will plan to do because we have a big family and need to save money where we can. So that's exciting. I'm hoping our town does the Peach Festival this year. They canceled it last year because of all the crazy stuff with COVID. I am hoping it is going on this year. The kids are missing it, and I am too. So anyway, just some fun things that we can do and get out of the house and have a good time. We are going to try and squeeze in like a mini unit, but a really, really fun one. I know I said we're not doing homeschool during this summer break, but almost every summer I do like a fun mini unit. I have done like a little themed ice cream unit. I have done one on watermelon. I have done one on lemons. It's just fun. This year I'm going to try and squeeze one in on bubblegum. I got this book at Book Outlet. If you haven't purchased through there before, follow the link in the description of this video to find out more about them, but we find the absolute best books there. I have a whole series of videos on our orders from Book Outlet that shows you all the good things that we have found, and this is one of them. This actually is about the invention of bubblegum. I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna go find a whole bunch of fun either flavors or types, like different kinds of bubblegum, like little balls, and then like the sticks, and just all different kinds. I think I'm gonna do like a fun little grab bag thing. I don't really know, but I'm gonna squeeze it in there somewhere in the midst of our huge bucket list, because seriously, this is going to take up a lot of our time. There are so many other things I wanted to add to this, but I ran out of chalkboard. I need a bigger chalkboard. We have one on our front porch, which would have been perfect for this, but the wind blew it over and it broke part of it, and we haven't had a chance to fix it. So the mini chalkboard is going to have to do, and all the other fun things that are supposed to be on my bucket list, we'll still do those things too. They just won't be fun to cross off. All right, guys. This is not really a long video, but I do have an exciting, huge announcement that I wanted to share with you guys. So if you guys stuck with me to the end of this video, yay to you, and I'm going to give you my new announcement. It is that we are expecting baby number 7 in the beginning of December, possibly the end of November, because I have not yet had a baby go that I have carried for 40 weeks. So possibly around Thanksgiving, we're going to have a new little guy or girl in our family. We're so excited, especially because we already have 3 girls and 3 boys. This is going to be our tiebreaker. And we thought our the last pregnancy was going to be the tiebreaker. And then we had twins, one of each. So this, as far as I can tell, is going to be our tiebreaker. We are about 13 weeks pregnant. This is going to be an exciting time for us too, because I'm going to share with you guys ways that we can homeschool while being pregnant, and you can still be successful in your educational journey. Upcoming in a couple weeks, I am going to be doing a curriculum week. So if you guys have not already purchased or planned, or if you're in the middle of doing that right now, I'm going to share with you all of the things that we are doing for the next school year. I did that last year. If you want to go back and check out our curriculum week from last year, it was super fun and I enjoyed doing it. All right, guys, that is it for this video. It's a short video this time, but thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.